Reproduction in animals. In this video, we shall try to understand what is the meaning of reproduction. Fertilization. At the time of intercourse, the semen gets deposited in the female's vagina. Sperm swims through the uterus and reaches the oviduct. A single sperm fuses with the ovum. The nucleus of the sperm fuses with the nucleus of the egg cell to form a single nucleus. The sperm combines with the egg in the oviduct and fertilizes it to form the zygote. This completes the process of fertilization. So here you can see that only one of the sperm will enter into the ovum. There will be some chemical change as soon as one sperm is going to enter into the ovum. There will be a chemical change in the ovum and no more sperm will be able to enter into the ovum. After entering into the ovum, here you can see fusing two nuclei. So the nucleus of both the cells, nucleus of sperm and the nucleus of ovum will fuse and will change into one nucleus. The tip of the head of the sperm has certain special enzymes which will rupture, means छेद कर देंगे ovum में, so that the sperm can enter into the ovum for fertilization. So fusion of male and female gamete to form zygote is called as fertilization. So here you can see that the sperm will reach the ovum. Watch it once again. But the tail part is left behind. The tail part will not enter. Tail part will be left behind. Only the head part will enter. Head and the middle part will enter. Remaining the tail part will remain outside only. So fertilization is fusion of sperm and egg to form zygote. As sperm has 23 chromosomes and egg also has 23 chromosomes, so they combine to form a single cell having 46 chromosomes. So as I told you that every cell of a human body has 46 chromosomes, so again it will have the same number. Now this single cell will change into a small baby undergoing different stages. So as in sperm and egg, the chromosomes are not in pair, that's why it's written N, and when they combine they again have chromosomes in pairs, so that's why in zygote it is written 2N. Internal fertilization and external fertilization. When fertilization is taking place inside a body, we call it as internal fertilization. If fertilization of male and female gamete is taking place outside the body, then it is called as the external fertilization. Internal fertilization takes place inside the female body. Example like dogs, cow, humans and many more such animals. External fertilization, fusion of male and female gamete when occurs outside the body of a female, we call it as an external fertilization. So this type of fertilization takes place in amphibians and many fishes. In that cases, they release gametes outside the body, like frogs, they release gametes, the male frog and the female frog are going to release the gametes in the water at the same place, and in the water the male and the female gamete will fuse to form zygotes. Development of embryo. After the formation of zygote, the zygote, which is a single cell, divides repeatedly to make a ball of hundreds of cells called embryo. The embryo moves down the oviduct into the uterus and gets embedded into the soft, thick lining of the uterus. This is called as implantation. So, fertilization takes place in oviduct. Embryo moves down the oviduct into the uterus after fertilization and gets embedded in the soft, thick lining of the uterus. So, uterus has a thick, soft lining which in it embedded. Embedded means उसमें धस जाता है. So that कि वो वहाँ attached रहे. This process is called as implantation. The embryo starts growing. It gets food and oxygen from the blood vessels in the lining of the uterus through the special tissues called placenta. An unborn baby in the uterus at the stage when all the body parts can be identified is called as fetus. And when slowly and slowly the unborn baby, जो बेबी अभी पैदा नहीं हुआ और वो यूट्रस में होता है और उसके सारे शरीर के हिस्सों से थोड़ा आइडिया होना शुरू हो जाता है कि हाँ, so you can see that the egg from the ovary is released into the oviduct. In the oviduct, fertilization chain takes place and it changes into zygote. When fertilization takes place, it starts moving from the oviduct and starts changing from single cell to two cell to four cell and so on. So it starts dividing and changes into a multicellular ball-like structure, and when it reaches the uterus, it gets embedded in the uterus wall. So this is a picture of a developing embryo. Different layers of the cells will change into different systems, different organs. So this is a fetus shown in a uterus. So here you can see the stages. Like this is a zygote changing into two cell, then many cells, then changing into a ball-like structure, slowly and slowly growing, and finally when it grows and further grows, you can see that now it's changing into a small. Now in this stage it's appearing that we can able to identify that it's a human baby, and finally when the human baby is fully developed, then birth takes place. So once again the cycles: zygote, single cell, then two cell, four cell, and then finally. So this is the cycle that is shown through which the zygote goes through, and the various phases of a zygote, going through zygote to embryo, then embryo to then fetus, and then from fetus to finally into a newborn baby. So this entire process takes in 42 weeks. In case a woman is unable to conceive, doctors collect freshly released egg from her and sperm from her male partner and keeps the collected gametes together for some hours. If fertilization occurs, the zygote is developed in vitro or in the laboratory, and then placed in the mother's uterus for further development. This process is called in vitro fertilization, and a baby born through this technique is called as a test tube baby. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि टेस्ट ट्यूब के अंदर ही बेबी तैयार हुआ था. If some people have problem in conceiving, if their body is having some problem, तो डॉक्टर्स क्या करते हैं, फादर और मदर दोनों के गैमेट्स लेकर लैब में उसको इकट्ठा रखा जाता है, और अगर वहाँ इकट्ठा रखने से वो फर्टिलाइजेशन हो जाती है, फ्यूज़ कर जाते हैं और जाइगोट बन जाता है, तो उस जाइगोट को यूट्रस में इम्प्लांट कर दिया जाता है, यूट्रस में डाल दिया जाता है, सो दैट वो फर्दर ग्रो कर सके यूट्रस के अंदर. क्योंकि कोई भी बेबी टेस्ट ट्यूब के अंदर ग्रो नहीं कर सकता, उसके लिए उसको मदर से ऑक्सीजन और फूड चाहिए होता है. तो इस टेक्निक से जो बेबीज पैदा होते हैं उनको टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबीज कहा जाता है. एंड दैट्स ऑल इन दिस वीडियो.